Welcome back to Coco 5. I don't know how I'm gonna get down, but we are back. It is Sunday. Hello. Yeah, that's right. Now I know the anticipation is getting bigger and bigger every week. You're saying, what are they gonna do? What are we gonna do? Last week was spit roast jerked up with ADHD. You know what I mean? But my name is M.R. That's Connect 4 Entertainment. We are Cook and Vibe. Today we have made our own pizza oven. Yes, out of bricks, yeah? And we're making Jamaican pizzas. We're making Caribbean pizzas today, people, and we have made our own pizza oven out of bricks. Look at it. Look at it today. This is our machine for today. I felt like a builder today in B&Q, loading up bricks. Me and Connect 4 have been loading up bricks and things. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's how we're doing it. You get me? So basically what we've done is we got 47 bricks and 2 slabs. We have basically built up the bricks. Make sure you've got a level surface to begin with. Make sure it's level, and then we've just built up the bricks. At the back you want to vent so the fire can come through at the back there. So at the back there you can see the fire coming out the back there. You need to make a gap in the back so the heat can vent through, you know what I'm saying? So that ain't gonna get too hot in there. So yeah, it's a kind of simple thing, man. You don't really need much but bricks. You get me? Bricks and firewood. We got this wood. This one says this is good for pizza oven, so we're using this wood today. You see me? Jamaican pizzas, homemade pizza oven. Where are we? Homeside. You don't know, so let's get with the recipes and the pizzas. You see me? Why are you? So people, pizzas, yeah, we're gonna make 2 different types of pizzas today. The first pizza we're gonna call it is just the Jamaican pizza. That's what we're calling this one, yeah? So for the pizza dough, it's really simple. I'm just gonna put that in the description because it's so boring. It's just flour, a bit of yeast, bit of sugar, simple things. So look, here we've got ours kind of looking all right. It's kind of a Cook and Vibe one, you know what I'm saying? It's not looking perfect, but yeah, we've got the pizza dough. I can't really pick it up because it's very flimsy. As soon as I pick that up, that just pulls apart, like, you know what I'm saying? Mad flimsy. I've never felt a dough like that before. It's crazy trying to get that together. But yeah, so we've got our pizza dough. So basically, what we're gonna do for the Caribbean, the Jamaican pizza, is we're gonna use Jamaican cheese. Of course, you gotta use Jamaican cheese. Now, I don't think it's ever been done. I don't think people use this for pizza. Definitely not, but we're gonna use it. And what else we've got is we've got some red, green and yellow. You hear me tell you? All right, we've got some tomatoes, we've got some yellow pepper, green pepper, we got our red Scotch bonnet, because you don't know we have to have the Scotch bonnet, and we have some okra. All right, I don't know if anyone's ever put okra on pizza before, but this is what we're doing. So this is our Jamaican pizza, you get me? So yeah man, why are we gonna, oh, and obviously some tomato puree. So we're gonna use tomato puree, put the cheese on, and then add this on after, you know me? Why? Cook and Vibe pizza, you know. I never thought, I'm not really a pizza person, you know, people, but you don't know. We're doing different things cooking outside, and I thought a homemade pizza oven out of bricks is really cool. So, you know what I mean? Just spread the tomato puree around a little bit. You see me? Yep, that should be okay. Too much over there, that's it. Break that apart a little bit. Ah, there we go. So now we're gonna put on our Jamaican cheese. Yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, people. You don't know anything set, man. They are always trying something different outside, you see me? Smash that like button, man. Come on, man, don't be shy. You the beat. Little bit of mozzarella. You know what I'm saying? There's little gaps in there. You know what I'm saying? I think it's a really cool idea, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know Jamaican pizzas has been done, but like, I don't know if they're using Jamaican cheese and Scotch bonnet and okra and the real deal. You know, we do our thing authentic cooking vibe, isn't it? Come on, man. So a little mozzarella just to fill in them little gaps there. You know what I'm saying? That should have cooled still, because that cheese there gonna melt quite a lot. So let's just go in for we can just sprinkle the green pepper around. Jamaican pizza that Richard. To some people, man. Yeah. That's the first pizza we're gonna do. So yeah, this is the time now. Let's see if it cooks, man. Let's see if our pizza oven works. You know what I'm saying? Why not? Hey, we had a bit of trouble getting that on that shovel. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah. We had a bit of trouble getting it on there. You get me? But yeah, she's all good now. You see me? Hey, what do you reckon? She's ready to go on? Reckon she's ready?
Can try.
Should give her a go. All right, now now what's meant to happen, right? Is they go in there and it just comes off. All right, yeah. Let's get the light over here. What they do is they just go, and it goes in like that. Professional, do you know what I mean? We're professional, so we're professional, so just shut your mouth, please. All right, just shut your mouth. Just shut your mouth, bruv. Just sit down, yes? Just sit down and don't talk to me in a rude way. And just press the like button, press the comment, and just do whatever you have to do. Subscribe and all that, because did you see that, bruv? Did you see that, man? Ah. People, you know, everything already on cooking vibe. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's gonna work. No clue. But again, usually works, doesn't it? You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna stress for the likes, how many and how many. Just press it. You're the beam. And if you ain't subscribed, if you're watching it and you ain't subscribed, please subscribe. You don't want to miss nothing. Believe me, because we're not playing any games outside. We're doing jerk chicken underground, jerk spinning, ADH duck on spit roast, homemade pizza ovens. It's a mad thing, so just, you might want to press the bell notification button as well. Here they be. So I mean, yes, like if you would more sufficient sort of oven, like you'd probably go for some people do like be more large scale, and a bit more bricks. You just might put a bit of cement, but you might just spend a lot of £1,000 on nothing. That heat killed me. Just spend a couple of quid on some bricks. I'm gonna be honest, yeah. This cooking vibe's starting to cost us money. these crazy adventures, they're starting to cost us money. We spent 60 quid today on bricks, slabs and wood. But it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we do appreciate you watching the ads. That, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, look update. Look on the pizza now. Yeah, man. That look good, man. It's a work so far. You know what I'm saying? It's a work so far, so yeah. I don't think it's too far off of being done, to be honest. Jamaican pizza, it's a mad thing still. Cook and vibe. You're done though. cook and vibes, man. So look, there we got it. It's a little bit underneath, but you know what I'm saying? Can't complain, man. Can't complain. So I'm actually looking forward to trying that. A little bit crusty, but yeah, it's good, it's all good, it's all good. Nice, nice, nice. And there we have it. Look, we've got a bit of okra on there, tomato. It's amazing. That's amazing. Straight away, I got a piece of Scotch bonnet. Louded up my mouth. Spice. I can taste the pepper. The Jamaican cheese works perfectly. Everything works perfectly. The taste of the pizza dough and the way it's been made, you can definitely taste the difference. Like this, it doesn't taste like this in Domino's. Honestly, taste-wise, it's the best one so far. Actual taste-wise, this is amazing. This is Jamaican cheese, thick and nice, man. It's like, you know, like the cheese you get on burgers. It's thick and nice. That's mad. Oh, a little bit awkward there. Look. Okra. It's a winner today, people. It's a winner. Let's get on with the other one. Yazid. Man, just boxed off that pizza. Me and Kenneth boxed off that pizza. Good one, that man. Tell him, man. Jamaican pizza work. Alright, you see what we're gonna call this next pizza? We're gonna call this the Jamaica Valley pizza. Yeah? Here what we're gonna use as the base. And I'm gonna use a little bit of tomato puree and this pimento ketchup we got from Jamaica Valley. You get me? Because it's quite a strong pimento taste, I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato sauce just to sweeten it up a little bit, right? And then we're gonna use grated mozzarella. We've got some chicken breast that we cut up slightly in little bits, and we've cooked it, pre-cooked it. What we put on it was this beautiful pimento and Scotch bonnet spice that we got from Jamaica Valley. And that's why we are calling it Jamaica Valley pizza. You get me? So the only other thing we're gonna put on top of that is just some tomatoes and some yellow pepper. So, yeah, man. We're back. Yeah. Next pizza. Look on the pizza. Yeah, this on the Jamaica Valley pizza. You get me? So what I'm hoping, yeah, people, what I'm hoping is that same spin or the slip off that I gave it last time, it's gonna work. So there we go. Oh, that heat, yo. So yeah, we're getting better at this. So you don't know the chicken's pre-cooked, so all we're really waiting for is the dough, peppers and the cheese, tomatoes to cook. This one looks a lot better actually. Well, not looks a bit neater, this one, doesn't it? So we've had the Jamaica pizza, that was a winning already, so we've already won really, to be honest, you know what I mean? Jamaica Valley pizza, homemade stone oven. Come on, man. we've got a new shovel, by the way, people. Well, Connect 4's got a new shovel anyway. So let's see how this one's doing. What? Now look at that. Look at that. Yeah, this one's looking even better than the last one, I'm not gonna lie. Flavours, I don't know, but like actual like presentation, yeah. The presentation look good, yeah, on this one, yeah. Yeah, man, pizza, man. Jamaica Valley pizza. You get me? Let's try this one. Just for man cooker vibe. You see over there, it's just raining and raining. This tree above us just blocks all the rain from disturbing our outside cooking, which is good, you know what I'm saying? So, on top of this is hot. So we can just cut it straight from off the top of here. Where am I gonna go? I'm just gonna go down here. No, I want a bit here. Alright, this one. Oh. Alright. Come on, man. Oh, I don't want to lose that. It's so hot. Big up Jamaica Valley for the ketchup. Hey, the pimento ketchup works wicked. With the chicken, with the pimento spice of the chicken, tomato, pepper. Yeah? Yeah. Bad. This one is cooked to perfection. You got a little crisp on the bottom there from the stone bake. Yeah? But it's just a tiny little crisp. All this is just juicy, man. I think this is a winner this week, people, when they choke them. COVID 35. I'm joking. Listen, try it yourselves, man. All it is bricks. You get me? Homemade Jamaican pizzas. Cook and vibe. I don't know where we're going to be next week. But you know what? We're going to drop a little episode in the middle of the week. Just to say thank you. Boy, You thought we forgot? No, you have to wait till the end. This week's big up Cooking with Bling. Yeah? Cooking with Bling. Check them out on YouTube. Respect, people. We'll see you next week for another crazy episode of Cook and Vibe. Big up yourself. Why?